Learn the ins and outs of email marketing. Many an online business has been made, or broken, by a single email marketing campaign. If you do it right, it can go viral, driving massive traffic to your website. If you do it wrong, on the other hand, it can sink your company. Watch this video in full to find tips and techniques to teach you how to do it in a way that benefits your company. Be sure of all the colors you use in your email are neutral. If colors are too bland, the customer may not want to read the video. On the other hand, if the colors are too bright, it could frustrate the reader. Try to stick with neutral colors, like black, gray, and white. Always seek permission before sending marketing emails to potential customers. Sending unsolicited emails will quickly have you labeled a spammer. Getting permission to send your messages doesn't have to be hard. Offer something valuable to your customers in exchange for the ability to email them, such as a discount, coupon, or other sign-up incentive. Follow up with contacts you meet at trade shows. Collect people's phone numbers when they stop by your table and call them within a couple of weeks of meeting them. Use the follow-up call to check in with your contact and ask him if he would like to receive your marketing newsletter by email. Make sure that you get permission from customers or potential customers before sending out your emails. If people do not want to get emails from you, they could mark your emails as spam or even ignore you altogether. There is even a chance that your email service could take you out of their system. Tie together one clear point in your email message. Customers will be quickly overwhelmed if you are trying to cover too much material in one email. Create one simple message that is short and direct to the point. Your clients will be happy to not have too much information. When you ask people to opt in, let them know what to expect. Tell them what you will be sending and how often you will send it. People will be more likely to sign up if they know that you are not going to flood their inboxes with wordy emails that they have no intention of watching. When you know what to do, creating an email marketing campaign will be easy, effective, and profitable. You'll better your online reputation while building profits, and the initial investment of both time and money is small. There is no better way to grow your business, so start creating your campaign today. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.